One man's remarkable comeback is another man's epic choke show. The Oklahoma City Thunder found themselves on the latter end of that statement as they watched the Golden State Warriors reclaim the Western Conference Finals after starting out in a 3-1 series hole. Now, OKC wasn't the first team, and they certainly won't be the last to choke when it matters most. Here are some epic collapses from just the past few years. In Game 6 of the 2013 NBA Finals, the Spurs were 28 seconds away from winning the title when they blew a 5-point lead, forcing a Game 7 and ultimately losing the championship to the Heat. During the 2014 Stanley Cup playoffs, the San Jose Sharks managed to blow a 3-0 series lead over the Los Angeles Kings. After arriving at the 18th hole of the 2015 U.S. Open, one stroke ahead of Jordan Spieth, Dustin Johnson found himself in a position for eagle, but three-putted instead, ultimately handing over the championship as Speith went on to birdie the hole. In the 2016 NFC wildcard, Vikings kicker BLAIR WALSH failed to capitalize on his opportunity to become a Minnesota hero. Wide left is what Walsh is left to remember, as he missed what would have been a 27-yard game-winning field goal. And Bengals running back Jeremy Hill also had his moment of blown heroism as he fumbled away Cincinnati's playoff hopes with a minute 36 left to go and his team up 1 in the 2016 AFC wildcard. The mishap made way for the Steelers to kick a field goal for a Pittsburgh victory.